In her motivation, Hinda-Mbuende explained that the proposed changes to the value-added tax deals with amendments to the definition and the assessment on what taxable activities are. According to the Deputy Minister, the law will enable the Commissioner to determine the manner in which a tax return or notice of assessment may be served and to zero-rate the supply of sanitary pads and provide for incidental matters.
The bill also further expands the requirements under which a person may register for VAT purposes in terms of Section 15. The proposed provision provides for the registration of persons who, as a result of the nature of their businesses, are only expected to render taxable supplies, usually after a considerable period of time. In addition to the above, the bill further proposes that input tax can only be claimed if the taxable activity of the person is directly connected with the taxable supplies to be made by such a person.
On the amendment to the Stamp Duty Act of 1993, Hinda-Mbuende says it is meant to insert certain definitions, introduce a stamp duty of $100 per existing mortgage bond that is transferred to a special purpose entity, and provide for incidental matters.
This amendment will allow banking institutions or non-banking financial institutions to pay a reduced stamp duty amount on assets that they intend to securitize, since the same assets are already subjected to stamp duty. The bill proposes a tariff of 100 Namibian dollars for any bond that was previously subjected to stamp duty and will now be transferred and bundled into a pool with other bonds for securitization purposes.
In terms of proposed income tax, she believes deductible on pension funds and educational policy contributions, among others, will encourage taxpayers to save for their children's education and to save money for retirement. Popular Democratic Movement's Nico Smith adjourned the debate until next week.